I am a huge fan of Relume and everything they're making. I think it is the best implementation of AI for web designers and web developers. And they just released Wireframing 2.0, so it's supposed to make the wireframes a whole bunch more creative, smart, and as a designer would actually make them. So in this video, I'm simply going to go ahead and try it out. So I have Relume open right here, and I'm going to say new project. And I want to make a site to promote the new Memberstack feature called Data Tables, which makes it so that you can easily create databases for your vibe-coded apps. So I'm going to write my prompt right now. All right, so I'm keeping it pretty simple here. A site for the new Memberstack Data Tables feature, the easiest way to build and manage databases and auth for your vibe-coded apps. We'll just keep it at 2 to 5 pages, and I'm going to click Generate Sitemap, and hopefully the magic is going to happen here. This, so far, seems to be the same. It is the wireframe where things are going to start to get crazy, hopefully. Okay, that looks good. Everything looks good to me. Hero, header section, features list, benefits, how it works, testimonial, CTA, and footer. Beautiful, I love it. All right, now let's go to wireframe and see what it's going to do. Typically, Relume gives nice layouts with these, but let's just say they're not all that creative. So you kind of need to go through and work on the wireframes yourself. And I noticed it did something at the start, but now it's kind of reworking it. I just want to say these wireframes look great so far. This is a super nice section right here for what developers say, get started quickly. This looks really nice. Now, they always look nice to me, but this one specifically looks nice. I don't know what's happening here. I'm assuming this is just a section I don't understand yet, and I can see it's still working on it. I mean, hey, this is beautiful. This just looks amazing. It's hard to really compare these things, like for me to compare this to the previous version, because I love the previous version, but if you have to ask me which one looks better, I'm definitely going to say this is an improvement. So now I'm going to go to the style guide, and I'm going to enter some of Memberstack's colors in. So right now we have this Dodger blue. I'm not going to take the time to get the actual colors, but let's just say that one is good. And then we're going to want to do some other nice colors. Let's add some light colors into it and gold. And then let's go ahead and use the font, Jakarta Sands, just like that. Body, let's also do plus Jakarta Sands. Looks good. The buttons look good too. Okay, so this is what we are working with. I'm going to do white for that. This one also. That's more of like a gray. So far, this is looking good. The Memberstack site is usually white for the most part. We'll do a blue section in there. Keep this next one here. Oh, wow, when you click it, it just... That's cool. Then we have an image down here. That looks nice. Okay. So here is our homepage, and honestly, this is good. Obviously, the images don't make any sense. These are just like, you know, Relume placeholders. Now let's go to the design and go through the entire site. This is looking good. Can I maybe make this a different... We seem to have gray, but we don't have white. Wouldn't mind kind of alternating between gray and white. It seems to have picked up on the fact that I generally want the sections to have a light background though, instead of like light and then dark and all this stuff. This looks really, really good. I gotta say, I am absolutely thrilled with this, and it actually used the stuff that I did in the style guide phase on this homepage, and it applied that to the rest of it. So this looks absolutely beautiful. Now, I usually just import this straight into Webflow, but is there a way that I can actually preview this? Export format, copy to web. Oh, I can add a page, I can add a section. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know I can do that here. This is looking absolutely amazing. So of course I can export it to React, HTML, Figma, Webflow, whatever it is that I want to do. Interesting, I can also export to CSV and text. That's an interesting feature that I haven't experienced before. This looks amazing. So what I have to say about the Wireframe 2.0 is yes, this definitely did give me a more creative layout that looks better. I wonder if I can change things like the headers quickly to be a little bit more bold. Let's go back to the style guide over here. Bold, there we go. That is more in line with what Memberstack does. So we have neutrals over here. Lightest, I wouldn't mind actually making this white. Is there a way that I can do that? What does this do? Oh, dark mode. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I was able to make the headers more bold. This looks really great. I'm super happy with this. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments.